Modern backyard home garden design ideas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Explore the endless possibilities of modern backyard home garden designs with our latest video. Whether you're looking to transform your outdoor space into a peaceful oasis, a vibrant floral paradise, or a functional vegetable garden, you're in the right place. In this video, we showcase a variety of innovative and stylish home garden design ideas that are perfect for modern living. From sleek minimalist designs to cozy cottage-inspired spaces, there's something for every taste and preference. Discover creative landscaping techniques, trendy plant choices, and smart space utilization tips that will help you create the backyard garden of your dreams. Topics covered in this video: modern minimalist garden designs, cozy cottage garden ideas, stylish urban oasis designs, functional and sustainable vegetable gardens, trendy plant choices and garden decor, smart space utilization tips, budget-friendly DIY garden projects. Get inspired and turn your backyard into a beautiful retreat where you can relax, entertain, and connect with nature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting garden design ideas and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy gardening!